Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 8th. Today we are going to start lesson number 7, part number 2. Our topic is programming with QBasic. QBasic editor. QBasic is an integrated development environment developed by Microsoft to type, edit, debug and execute basic language program. For example, one can open, save or print a program files using options from the menu bar. Cut copy paste operations can also be easily carried out in similar way. The picture shown below is QBasic editor window. Here first is title bar. It displays the program name. Next is program edit window. Here we can write your program. Next is immediate window. QBasic provides a way to execute a command without running the current program. To do so, select the bottom window and enter a command, then press enter key. Next is status bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the screen. It displays a short list commands when you highlight an item on the menu. The status bar displays a short description of what the item does. We run our program with F5 key. Next is QBasic statement. A statement is an instruction written by using commands or QBasic. Every programming language uses keywords as a statement with certain syntax. The keywords have specific meaning in the QBasic programming. The statements are first stored in the memory and executed only when the run command is given. Statement is first is RAM. Purpose of this statement used to give remarks in program. Computer does not execute this statement. It can be given anywhere. Second statement is CLS and purpose is clear the output screen. Next is let. It is used for assignment statement to assign value to a variable. Next is end statement used to indicate end of a program. Next is print to display any message or result on the screen. Next is input statement. The input statement is used to accept a data value from the user and store it in a variable. This statement asks users to enter data by displaying a question mark. During the execution of the program waits for user to enter the desired value through keyboard and subsequent pressing of the enter key once data is entered. Statement is input. Syntax is input string or numerical variable. For example, input age, input name. Next is input variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. Example input A, B and C. Next input message variable. Input your name. Example input your name, name dollar and input your age, age. You can download QBasic with this link. Note down the link, open your browser window and type the link and follow the instructions. Let's do a practical. First of all, Double click on QBasic icon from your desktop. This is your QBasic window. Our first statement is RAM. This is our first program, so I type here RAM. This is my first program. My first program. Press enter key. Next statement is print. Suppose I want to print a line DAV public school. So I type here in inverted commas DAV public school, inverted comma close, and type end in the last of the program. Now I want to run my program, so press F5 key from the keyboard and wait here. This is the result. I print only one line, DAV public school, and our result is DAV public school. Now I use let statement. Let, suppose I give a variable $a equal to DAV. Second variable equal to public. Third variable school. Print $a comma B comma C. Now press F5 key from the keyboard. This is the result. DAV public school. If I want delete this gap, then I type here print $a semicolon space B semicolon space C and press F5 key. This is the result. You can see the difference between this line, and this line. Thank you.